Have you ever wondered why subliminal affirmations and healing frequencies like 528 Hz are used for beauty and wellness? 528 Hz, known as the love frequency, a healing tone. But what does that even mean? And what does the science say? Subliminal affirmations are positive statements played at a level just below conscious awareness. Even if you don't hear every word, your subconscious mind is still taking it in. Research in psychology shows that repeated positive suggestions can influence mood, habits, and even stress levels. Lower stress means lower cortisol, and cortisol is a hormone linked to breakouts, inflammation, and premature aging of the skin. 528 Hz is a single pitch, a little above C5. It is an audio tool people use to relax, focus, and set intention. The 528 Hz frequency is often called the love frequency or the miracle tone and DNA repair frequency. Some studies suggest that sound frequencies in this range may reduce stress, improve energy at the cellular level, and even promote healing responses in the body. While research is still emerging, many listeners report feeling calmer and more balanced after listening. And since stress is one of the biggest factors in skin problems and aging, 528 Hz can be a supportive tool for beauty and wellness. Independent of the exact frequency, sound can influence mood and stress through two pathways. 1. Nervous system. Slow, steady tones and simple harmonies can encourage relaxation responses. Lower arousal, slower breathing, and a sense of calm. 2. Attention and expectation. When you expect calm, you breathe deeper and release muscle tension. That alone can help downshift stress. There's growing research that relaxing audio, music, nature sounds, or tones can reduce perceived stress and improve well-being. Results vary by person, and specific frequency claims are still being studied. Think of 528 Hz as a supportive environment for healing habits. 1. Set intention. One sentence you care about. 2. Breathe. In 4, out 6 for 1 minute. 3. Listen 10 to 20 minutes at a comfortable volume. 4. Pair with practice, affirmations, stretching, or gratitude. 5. Consistency beats volume. Lower, longer, and frequent is better than loud. When you combine subliminal affirmations with a healing frequency, you're working on both the mind and body. The affirmations encourage positive self-image and stress reduction, while the frequency is added to help your body relax and restore balance. Together, they create a calming environment where your body can heal and thrive naturally. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to check out the full subliminal video, Clear, Glowing Skin, Subliminal Affirmation for Youthful Glow, 528 Hz. It's right here on my channel, as well as other similar videos. Remember, beauty starts on the inside, and when your mind is calm, your skin often reflects it.